Kitchen. My name is Ria and I'm going to show you some healthy snacks that you can eat during spring break or when you cannot go outside. Now let's go and see the snacks. So the first one is oatmeal. I have made some just regular oatmeal. And I'm going to add some frozen blueberries. Whoa. I'm gonna add some crushed almonds and cashews. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit of cinnamon. Whoa. Now we're gonna mix this up.
That's a wonderful snack.
Okay, the next snack is gonna be peanut butter and apples. So I've just taken some cut up apples and just put peanut butter. So super duper simple, 2 ingredients and done. Next is going to be a Powerball. So Powerballs, we've made them before in my mom's channel. Go and check it out, I'll leave the link below. Eat East Indian. So basically you can eat Powerballs, you can make them, store them in the fridge, and then have them ready to go in the morning. So that is the next one. Okay, and then here I have this Mott's Fruits apple. I just got a big pack from Costco. So you can have one of these and then an orange. If you don't know how to peel them, your parents can peel them for you.
It's a healthy snack, orange and some applesauce.
Next is crackers and cheese. So I'm just taking my favorite crackers, vegetable stone wheat crackers. I'm just gonna take a few of those out. I'm gonna take some of those, and I'm gonna take cheese and just put them on the crackers evenly. Like that. Now I'm gonna taste that.
Healthy,
So
yummy
good.
snack.
Next is gonna be apples and cinnamon. So again, you're just gonna take some cut up apples, lay them flat, take some cinnamon, and just put a little bit on. Whoa. So that's another easy snack. Now the last one is gonna be cream cheese toast. I have this cream cheese here. I'm just gonna put it on my toast. And if you want to cut it, you can, but I don't want to cut it. So now let's try it. I really like it. So subscribe down below, and please tell friends and family about these snacks, and I hope you like it. Bye.